Java looks terrifying until you realize it works exactly like your house. Yes, your Friday night Netflix binge house. Picture a house. One entrance, many rooms, some are locked, some are not. Some are for sleeping, cooking, or to pretend your life is in order. It's Friday evening. You want Netflix. But Netflix without popcorn is like Java without semicolons. It just refuses to work. So you walk to the kitchen, grab popcorn, juice, maybe beer, and return to your hall like a majestic, lazy king. Congrats, you just performed your first programming flow. This entire class is your house, and you named it Happy House. Cute. A class stores everything in your program, just like your house stores your furniture, dreams, and mistakes. Java always enters through one room, which is main. It's the front door. Without it, Java just stands outside like, bro, this is the only place I know. Where do I go now? Public means the door is open. Java can walk in freely. Lock it, and the whole program collapses like your 2025 resolution. Static means the room exists even before the house is fully set up, like the one dude who set up his gaming room before unpacking a single box. Void means Java enters this room, does stuff, and leaves with empty pockets, no return value. It's like going to the kitchen and being told you're not allowed to take anything back. Sad but accurate. String args is your mailbox. It can receive letters before the program starts. Letters, OTPs, breakup messages if you are not single like me. All good. Gas cylinders? A big no. It accepts strings only. Inside the room, you run tasks, just like cooking, gaming, or watching until 3 a.m. System.out.println is Java yelling something out of a speaker. System, it's a built-in toolbox. Out, it's the speaker. Println, it's the mouth. So Java walks in, screams, drop the mic, and exits the building. Curly braces are words. They mark where your rooms start and end. Semicolons, it's like saying, I'm done with this task. What's next? So your entire Java program is literally a house with a main entrance. You go inside, do some tasks, and leave. That's it. Java is not scary. It's just a house with strict rules and too many semicolons. And that's Java's. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.